To short on Crypto.com. Start by understanding what shorting means. Shorting is a trading strategy that involves selling a cryptocurrency at its current price, with the expectation of buying it back later at a lower price to make a profit. First, you need to have a Crypto.com account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verification process. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Crypto.com exchange platform and log in. Next, find the cryptocurrency you want to short and click on it to go to its trading page. On this page, you will see options to buy or sell. Since you want to short, you will click on the sell option. However, to short, you need to use the margin trading feature on Crypto.com. To do this, you must have a margin account enabled. If it is not enabled, go to your account settings and apply for a margin account. After enabling margin trading, go back to the trading page of the cryptocurrency you want to short. Click on the sell option and select the amount you want to short. You can choose to use a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute the trade immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at the price you set. Once you have sold the cryptocurrency, you will need to buy it back later at a lower price to close the short position. You can do this by clicking on the buy option on the trading page and selecting the same amount you sold earlier. It is essential to set a stop loss when shorting to limit your potential losses if the price moves against you. A stop loss is an order that automatically closes your position when the price reaches a certain level. Finally, remember that shorting carries significant risks and is not suitable for all investors. It is crucial to do your research, set clear goals, and use proper risk management techniques to avoid significant losses.